Yo, what's good, crypto gang? Luna Classic has taken an absolute pivotal turn over the last year. We see we're up 30%, and I think as Luna Classic gains more utility, becomes more community based, as they get this on-chain burn, I think things can start to look a bit brighter in the future for this project. Of course, reclaiming maybe a $5 to $10 billion market cap is going to be extremely difficult, but we're still seeing at around 700 million, which is fairly good still, despite all of the FUD that occurred and the deleterious effect that the incident had on the holders for Terra Luna and the whole Luna ecosystem. So we can see volume is up 44% today. It does look quite good. A lot of comments are still very, very bearish, but when we look at the daily time frame, we can see that we have got this really nice pump here, and I do think a lot of it is from the utility and the continued burning that's occurring at the moment. When we look at the total burn UST, we've got 455 million at the moment, which is 4.44% of the total supply. The total Luna burned is 1.2 billion right there, so that's 0.017%. So we still need to get more Luna burning, and the ways this is happening, well, we can see here, this is a tremendous tweet, and I really like this. So we can see CZ Binance as well. What's very, very important, we actually do have a tweet from CZ over here. We can see Terra Classic Reloaded, so this is one of the Terra promoters, I believe. Now that Luna Classic has been handed over to the community, CZ Binance should now assist the community in reducing the supply via burning. Retweet this if you agree. So what he actually said is, reducing supply should be done via burn, not fork at an old date, and abandon everyone who tried to rescue the coin. So he's trying to actually recover the coin, come up with some nice suggestions for the project, which is really good to see. We can also see here on the Luna burn, and guys, you should make sure you have a Twitter account because it helps so much just to navigate what's relevant, the crypto news in the industry and stuff, right? You don't want to miss out on that kind of thing. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're new here. Don't forget to buy crypto with the link down below if you want to get those bonuses. Have the safest exchange to utilize at your best interest. So what's going on with LUNC burn? Well, excellent work from the Terra rebels. Even though it seems like not much is happening, there's a lot going on behind the scenes. Thanks for checking out what 1.2% burn would give in 5.6 hours. The 1.2% would have burned 777 million. Okay, I'm able to sync up our changes to Columbus 5 from a pruned snapshot. Just for fun, I calculated what the 1.2% tax would have burned. In 5.6 hours, or 3383 blocks, on-chain burn would have been 777 million. And you can see here, if the same gets implemented, it takes 5.7 years to burn 7 trillion supply. So it could actually work, long term. We're talking 5 years, a very, very long recovery plan. This whole mess could potentially be fixed. Really could. Have a bit of optimism. And we've also got Luna DAO, so LUNC DAO. This is very, very interesting. They're actually increasing the burn as they gain more retweets. So I'm actually going to give this one a retweet today. But we can see, one retweet equals 5 million LUNC burned. If they get 1 million retweets over here, they'll burn 9.92 million Luna Classic. So I highly doubt they'll get 1 million retweets, but it's still interesting to see the traction that they are gaining right here and why Twitter is so important. So Twitter, community, utility, getting that on-chain burn. There's 4 things that's really helping with Luna at the moment. Getting this traction, getting the coin trending on Twitter and other platforms is also really going to help in its case to recover. We can see here we're getting lots of other people commenting and talking about crypto. My new fave trending tweet that is cryptocurrencies related. Who said LUNC is dead? Laughing face. And you can see here just this giant green candle. And people love to see this kind of stuff. It creates that excitement, that FOMO. This is what the DeFi degens honestly love. Now personally, this doesn't excite me. When I see these big green candles, it doesn't excite me. But I suppose some people it really does. Some people it really does. That's the crazy thing. What else do we have? These explosions are just giving you a heads up on what's to come in the bull run. Massive buying power. $1 Luna Classic. Is that a pragmatic target? In my opinion, probably not. In 5 years, can we even see a $1? I think it could be possible if we burn a lot of the supply, and that's the only way we're going to see the value of this network increase is through more burning. in the long run, guys. That's probably the only way. So very, very interesting to see what's going on with Luna Classic at the moment. That's just a bit of an update of some of the news. It's hard to do a price analysis on what's going on, but we can see that in crypto right now, a lot of projects are flashing green again. We've got Bitcoin up, we've got Ethereum up, Matic, XRP. A lot of those gems are looking good on the daily time frame. We see some big pumpers. Solana really up well, XRP doing good. Ethereum now holds 1,200 and Bitcoin is back to $21,000. Feeling euphoric all over again. We're going to have a little look at the price here, as we can just see, even though there's tremendous volatility, it'd be worth seeing what this swing higher has done so far. So we have just simply put through a correction phase down to around 0.382 Fibonacci. Again, I'm not really going to try and put any technical analysis on this. We're on the 5-minute time frame, but this huge volume wick right here, as you see, so much volume surge came in, we are getting that small decline. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do hold at this 0.0001 level, though I don't expect any crazy things to be happening. We are still in a crypto winter. This is still a bear market, so expect projects to just get rejected at resistance levels and then perhaps put through another swing low. Anyways, guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hop into the telegrams in the description box, get yourself into that Discord channel, come say hi, don't be shy, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.